Deep beneath the water, an unlikely cleaning team arrives. The elephant carries hundreds of unwanted hitchhikers. Now the tiny cleaners get to work. Every bite helps keep the giant healthy. The elephant remains surprisingly relaxed. Each parasite is a small meal for the fish.
Even the trunk receives special attention. Together, they form an underwater cleaning crew.
Wherever the giant goes, the helpers follow. Hard-to-reach areas need cleaning too. Nature has created a perfect partnership. The giant seems to welcome the treatment. For the fish, this is a feast. Little by little, the parasites disappear. Every cleaner has a job to do. Hundreds of tiny workers join the effort. Trust makes this partnership possible. They search every fold for hidden parasites.
Both animals benefit from this encounter.
The giant emerges healthier than before. The cleaners leave with full stomachs. Their work is nearly complete. Another successful cleaning session ends. One of nature's smallest doctors has done its job.